Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the ink level estimates on a Brother MFC-J4410DW. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the touchscreen here and a couple of buttons over here. So first of all, we're going to press this little bit on the touchscreen here with a visual representation of the ink level estimate. Now you think the ink level estimate would be the first thing that popped up, but it's not, sadly. So we're going to press down to get past that. And ink volume is the bottom option, so press that. And here we have a blown up version of what was on that first screen, showing how much ink the printer thinks it has in magenta, cyan, yellow and black. My black's looking a little low, need to be changed soon, but other than that it's looking okay. Now if you're interested in the ink levels due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, it's much more likely to be down to a small blockage found in the printer's print head, which can be resolved with test prints and cleaning, which were shown on that previous menu. But hopefully you found what you were looking for here. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.